cousin's slash aunt and uncle's timeshare. And the nice thing about it is that it's right next to the sand dunes. Here in Michigan, they've got a bunch of sand dunes. So we plan to go to the sand dunes later. All right, Andy, you wanted to be in the vlog. Now we're at your house.
Hi.
Tell me something about your place that's interesting.
I have a whole beach out there.
Yes, we plan to go swimming later.
Yes.
Anything else?
No.
Okay. So we're currently walking over to these really steep sand dunes. It's less popular than these other big ones that we normally go to, but they're really steep and they go right down to the water. So I was thinking that should be hopefully gnarly for sandboarding. So got this boogie board and hopefully it'll work. Something that just happened a second ago. We heard thunder, so we're hoping it won't start pouring rain.
A few moments later.
Now this is the method to go.
Oh my god.
That's sand.
Holy shit.
What happened? Storm just came out of nowhere. Look at those clouds. Oh, it isn't quite the slope I thought it was gonna be. Okay, so we just made it to the lookout and it's hella windy and we just saw lightning straight out. Let's see if I can catch it. Oh, it's on.
I got sand in my mouth.
Yeah, I got sand everywhere.
I got sand in my ass.
Yeah.
That hill is so rocky.
God.
It's like mostly big rocks and some sand. Oh my God. Oh! I missed it. I was filming myself instead of the sky. God damn it. Holy crap. Come on, where's the lightning?
We're lost in the storm.
I feel like Zuko shouting, "Strike me!" when he's like out in the thunderstorm and he wants to get struck by lightning. Come on, strike! It's a frog! Hey, buddy. Oh my gosh, my camera's completely soaked.
Oh, it's wet out here.
Oh, they didn't say that. I guess they liked what I was doing.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's a little bit more well-formed, well-structured vlog. It was a lot of fun just to have a regular day vlog like this. Most of my vlogs have been kind of collages of a bunch of different days, but I've got a lot of requests for how I do night photography and nighttime lapses, so I'm planning to do that pretty soon, so look forward to that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!